Hello students. In this lesson of programming using C, we will learn about files, opening and closing files, naming and opening a file. A name is given to the file used to store data. The file name is a string of characters that make up a valid file name for operating system. It contains two parts, a primary name and an optional period with the extension. The example is shown on the screen. The general format of a declaring and opening a file is shown on the screen. Here, file is a data structure defined for files. FP is a pointer to data type file. File name is the name of the file. Mode tells the purpose of opening this file. Reading data from file. Input functions used are A. Getch. It is used to read characters from file that has been opened for read operation. Closing files. A file is closed as soon as all operations on it have been completed. Closing a file ensures that all outstanding information associated with the file is flushed out from all the buffers and all links to the file are broken. Another instance where we have to close a file is to reopen the same file in a different mode. Library function for closing a file is fclose brackets f file pointer. Example fclose fp bracket, where fp is the file pointer returned by the call to open fopen. Fclose brackets returns 0 on success or -1 on error. Once a file is closed, its file pointer can be reused for another file. Basic input-output operation of files. In order to perform the file operations in C, we must use the high-level input-output functions, which are in C standard I/O library. They are getC, fgetC. It is used to read a character from a file that has been opened in a read mode. It reads the character from the file whose file pointer is fp. The file pointer moves by one character for every operation of getC. The getC will return an end of marker EOF when an end of file has been reached. The syntax and example are shown on the screen. Putc, fputc. It is used to write a character contained in the character variable to the file associated with the file pointer fp. Putfc also returns an end of marker EOF when an end of file has been reached. The syntax and example are shown in the video. Fprintf. The general form of fprintf is syntax fprintf bracket fp, control string, list, where fp is the file pointer associated with file that has been opened for writing. The control string contains output specification for the items in the list. The example is shown on the screen. Fscanf. It is used to read a number of values from a file. Syntax and example are shown on the screen. Like scanf, fscanf also returns the number of items that are successfully read. When the end of file is reached, it returns the value EOF. The getW and putW are integer-oriented functions. They are similar to getC and putC functions and are used to read and write integer values. These functions would be useful when we deal with only integer data. The general form of getW and putW are shown on the screen. Fgets, it is used to read a string from a file pointer by file pointer. It copies a string to a memory location referred by an array. Syntax and example can be seen on the screen. Fputs, it is used to write a string to an open file pointer by file pointer. Syntax and example for this can also be seen on the screen. Fwrite, it is used for writing an entire structure block to a given file in a binary mode. Syntax and example can be seen on the screen. Fread, it is used for reading an entire structure block from a given file in binary mode. Thank you.